If you're looking for ways to make your automation workflows more powerful fast, this video is for you. While we do have some pre-built workflows with splits and SMS messages in our library, in this video we're going to look at how you can add those to your workflows manually. And the first option is A/B testing. In Omnisend, you can A/B test practically anything in automation workflows. For example, if you're unsure whether a 1-hour or 4-hour delay is better, you can A/B test it. Just drag in the A/B test, add 2 different delays to the 2 paths, and paste the following message into both paths as well by cloning it. This way, you will be able to easily tell which delay is performing better, judging by the message reports. The second thing you can do to increase your chances to convert potential big spenders is split contacts based on the monetary value of their abandoned carts. Just add a split based on trigger event, which is abandoned cart, and select cart sum is greater than a certain amount. Keep your original messages in the no path, and either clone them or create new ones for the yes path, with content that is going to resonate more with potential big spenders, like larger incentives. While this is going to be more costly upfront, it is going to pay off in the long run, as these customers are going to be more likely to become repeat buyers and bring in a larger lifetime value. Finally, the third thing you can do to reach more people who are interested in your products is using SMS. While good email open rate is around 20 to 25%, SMS open rate is 96% within the first 5 minutes. What's more is that your free trial includes $1 worth of SMS credits. That means that you can send more than 50 SMS messages for free to see if it works for you. In our abandoned cart workflow now, we're going to send an SMS message only to those contacts who don't open the last email, in order to lower our costs and maximize the impact of our SMS channel. To do that, we're going to add a 24 to 72 hour delay after the third message, and a split based on message behavior, selecting opened email and specifying what email. Now just keep the yes path empty and add an SMS message to the no path. Finally, fill out the message text, which in this case should create some urgency and direct people to check their email inbox, because that's where they will find their discount and abandoned products. For US and Canada customers, you can also add engaging GIFs and images, turning the message into an MMS. And any contacts who are not subscribed to your SMS channel will simply skip this step. And with that, let's publish the changes. And we're done. These 3 simple ideas will help you make your workflows more powerful, giving you an edge over competitors using more basic alternatives.